Welcome to my public service announcement. Today I would like to show you the reasons why you should stop throwing away your used items. "14 million tons of clothing are thrown out each year and are filling up the landfills." Now, these clothings can be donated, they can be recycled, they can be reused. Why are we just throwing them out? Just because we don't want to go the extra effort into putting them into locations and places where they distribute these items for other purposes? It is our responsibilities as human beings on this earth to watch what we do and be responsible enough to use what we have and donate them to help the landfills not have this much clothing. There are so much resources that go into a single item of clothing. Now, if we multiply this by hundreds and thousands of pieces of clothing that are in the landfills, it's an impressive amount of resources that we are using. On the top, it says energy intensive from processing yarn, producing fabric, and fabricating textiles, to transporting and selling good clothing to customers. Now, this is a cycle that goes through every piece of clothing, whether it's a shirt, a pair of pants, anything. It goes through this long process that each process consumes more resources up until the point where it reaches your hands. Now, not only is water, energy, oil, and land all being used to be consumed into resulting in your product, it is hurting the environment and it is causing carbon CO2 into the atmosphere and causing the earth to overheat, which is going to be worse off for us in the long run. Now, not only are the resources being used, people are being used as well. There are sweatshops that are using cheap labor where these poor innocent lives are risking their lives in order to get us our shirt. This is not right, and something must be done. We need to reduce, recycle, and reuse. We need to use what we have and either donate them or reuse them and repurpose them and give them a second life, but we cannot just throw them into the landfills. That is not right. We need to do something about this, and we need to take action now before we don't have a sustainable earth. There is only one earth, and we must work together to protect her. It is our responsibility to take care of our earth so that others and future generations can be living free and happy as we are.